Nestled amidst nature's embrace, this exceptional property offers a harmonious blend of tranquility, modern comfort, and breathtaking views. The epitome of serene acreage living in the highly sought-after Noosa hinterland.
This spacious 4-bedroom home with dual living opportunity and a plethora of impressive features, discover a haven that perfectly balances seclusion and convenience. Welcome home to 49 Foambark Place, Black Mountain, a place where quiet mornings, picturesque sunsets, and a symphony of wildlife becomes your everyday companion. I'm Taryn.
And I'm Ruben from Scion Realty, and we look forward to taking you through.